Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with MetLife for benefits and policy documents, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with MetLife for benefits and policy documents, start by visiting the MetLife website. Look for the login option, usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to open the authentication page. If you are a new user, select the option to register for an account. You will need to provide your personal information, such as your name, date of birth, and social security number. Create a username and password that you will use for future logins. Make sure your password meets the security requirements, which typically include a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. After completing the registration form, submit your information. You should receive a confirmation email to verify your account. Check your email and click on the verification link provided by MetLife. Once your account is verified, return to the MetLife authentication page. Enter your username and password into the designated fields. Click the login button to access your account. If you encounter any issues, look for the Forgot Password option. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once logged in, navigate to the section for benefits and policy documents. Here, you can view and download your important documents as needed. If you have any further questions, consult the FAQ section or contact MetLife customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.